Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to 101 poems series, poems by author of Manipur. This is one of the challenge I've taken, that I'm going to learn more poems about Manipur during my cycling ride. Thanks for everybody for commenting and appreciating. Your comments, your message means a lot to me, so do comment and let me know, if you like the poem, if you want me to read any poem, share, and let's learn more and more about poems and authors of Manipur. So the first poem, which I had already covered, was What the Poor Animal Thinks, Tola Basadugi Wakal by Sri Biren. And I had taken that book and it was raining, so today what I did was I am starting to copy the poems so that in case it rains, I don't spoil the original book. Today, poem number 2, The Laugh of a Girl. This was translated in English from the original meiteilol poem Nupimacha, amana, nokpa. So the original meiteilol poem was written by Elangbam Nilakanta Singh. Elangbam Nilakanta Singh is a Sahitya Academy Award-winning Manipuri. This poem was taken from the book Sahitya Academy Award-winning Manipuri poetry collection, and this poem was translated by Moirangthem Priyobrata Singh, The Laugh of a Girl. Okay, let me start. As a matter of fact, I haven't hoped, despite my longing in earnest for truth, beauty, meaning of life, in the changing social scenario where words have lost their meaning. The inner reality is detached from the outer one. In the pretext of advancing forth towards the realm of light, but skirting around darkness, we tend to see in all directions aloofness and isolation along the crowded streets of cities of hopes, despairs, greed, and envy. Amidst the smokes of perplexity, everybody happens to live helplessly in silence. I am fully determined to write with the pen, helpless, mankind out of hope, the word devoid of light. I take up the pen, detained by some unseen power, and I am made to see at the edge of the way the smiling face of a girl. The smile, pure and simple. The laugh muddles me at this untangible facet of life, experience at the flash of a wink, a soul light of beauty. Translated from the Manipuri title Nupimacha, amana, nokpa, written by Elangbam Nilakanta Singh, and it has been translated in English by Moirangthem Priyobrata Singh, and this is from the book Tirthayatra. So that is poem number 2. Look at that. It's a beautiful word. I really love this poem. So let me know what you liked about the poem, and if you have more work about the author, Elangbam Nilakanta Singh. And I'm out for cycling. Let me show a little bit of what I see today. Thank you. Bye-bye. Keep tuning in.